in this figure. So from sensing to pre-processing data, if we can do this online, because application need to be deployed in real city scenario. So all this action need to be done automatically, from measuring, from analyzing data, pre-processing data, which take time, to prediction and forecasts, and maybe include like predictive control or predictive or anticipation based on the application. So we can go from low adaptive systems, as you know, from conditional expressions to the inclusion of concept and principle from evolutionary programming, like neural network or natural system, any natural system, because these systems are like qualified to be intelligent. Most of them require, as you see in this figure, require low latency data transmission and low processing. And this is the big issue, especially if we are willing to integrate or embedded device, and some of this application may be deployed in this embedded device. They don't have like enough resources. So this is also another issue, how to build like a platform which take also into consideration these issues. Recently, we have seen the development of 4, 5G, so latency will be in millisecond range, and also so the communication will not be big issue if we deploy 5, 6Gs. We have also the emergence of edge cloud computing, so we can, some of these applications can be, in order to minimize communication, we also deploy at the edge. Artificial intelligence, do you hear me? Do you can help also or can enable also this latency critical applications. From artificial intelligence, we can classify them in either model driven, people that like model the system, but this become inefficient, especially for large and dynamic environment. With data-driven approach, we can create models which can learn. Of course, as you may know, for example, deep learning, they can learn from previous experience, from previous data, and can also process and predict what will be happen. But sometimes they are not enough to predict well, especially for long term. So combining model with data driven can help also to handle data streams, especially in real time, because many of these applications require real time. I will not talk of what we have we are developing here, as you can see in especially in this one here. If you would like to read what we are doing, this is exactly the state of the art of existing method, especially for time series data classification and also regression for forecasting, from neural network, from data driven to data structure based approach, which have been emerged recently, especially this branch of image based modeling, and this is what we are developing.